1 and 2 of Global Institute of Engineering and Technology is conducting intra-college electrician competition on the topic Kill Cancer. So, as part of this program initiative is to create awareness about causes of cancer, effects of it on the life of people, and to provide awareness to all of you on about it. So, as you all know, cancer has been the cause of many number of deaths in the country. So, it is very essential to provide awareness about this disease to each and everyone so that you may take care. So, as part of this, our Global Institute of Engineering and Technology is conducting intra-college electrician competition. So, I would like to invite all of you here. And let us start the competition. As part of this, I would like to invite Mr. Sai Tejas of CSM first year to start.
Mr. One and all, I thank everyone for having me, giving an opportunity to speak here on one of the most heartfelt memories that even I personally share, that is about the disease cancer. This disease, when we take the name itself, we sort of get very dim. Why is that? Because cancer is such a big thing which requires a lot of concern of us. Cancer, we can divide it as two things, not only a health issue, but also as a mental issue. Cancer is basically nothing but, what are we? We are humans. And any human is made up of cells, right? So cells are having a particular lifespan in which they be in our body. And after their lifespan is over, after they are deficient of all the nutrients and proteins they have, they become as damaged cells or lifeless cells. These lifeless cells, when they are done with their lifespan, they get out of their things, and due to which they start damaging the other tissues which are present. When these cells are in a small number, we call them as stage 0 cancer. At stage 0 cancer, the damaging of the lifeless cells to our body tissues is at a slower rate, or instead we can say that it has just begun. That is stage 0. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, progressively the damaging starts. And in this way, the tissues that are getting damaged from one part or any one specific part, be it our lung, liver, our rectals, anywhere, or stomach. These are the 4 main cancers that are very, very harmful for us. From there, from stage 0, it goes to stage 4. Why does this happen? There are 3 reasons which we can divide. First, which is about 25% which we can blame, that is our lifestyle. Modern environment, if we are thinking that if we are eating very good vegetables, we are vegan and so all stuff, still, whatever we are getting is not pure. Whatever we are thinking is pure is not pure. It is not natural whole enough. Everything has mixture and chemicals in it, which is one of the main cause, which is 25% in our lifestyle. And that is one cause of cancer. The rest, 65%, we can divide it with our genetics. Because cancer happens when our damaged cells are being, when they are not being controlled. At stage 0, we are having the immunity that supports and it tries to produce T cells which fight against the cancer cells. And if at stage 0 itself we recognize, then by immunotherapy at stage 0 and stage 1, we will be able to successfully defeat cancer. But unfortunately, many people don't know what exactly happens in cancer. So the awareness must be spread how the person can take care of himself, what are the possible symptoms, and so that whatever we are thinking, we can accomplish. Stage 2. If a person hasn't diagnosed in stage 0, 1, 2, then at stage 3 or stage 4 if they are diagnosed, then they need to go to very painful treatment, that is nothing but chemotherapy. Chemotherapy involves a very, very high radiation that makes the person very weak. Literally the person will dry up, the bones will be visible, and such it is just like a hell of pain for the person who is experiencing chemotherapy. But people who want to survive, who want to enjoy their life, they take even chemotherapy as a punishment to get rid of cancer. But it depends not only on our medication, but also on our mental will. If we want to live, we can live. We can use these treatments like chemotherapy or immunotherapy when we are diagnosed at whichever stage we are, and then we can get back to our life. Though we won't be 100% back, yes, we will be having side effects due to all the therapies, but then still we will be living with our family. At least our family won't be having that loss of us. But then there are few people who don't want to suffer it, so they just quit in the midway. So awareness when we come about cancer, if we are, now we can see that even if we are 4 or 5 years old also, children are getting cancer. That can be due to the hereditary or genetics. Or pregnancy maladies also. Any of the parents' side genes are having if the DNA is having cancer-related problem, then they can be diagnosed at even 4 or 5 years age also. But then, if we are 35 plus, anyone, any adult who is 35 plus, minimum yearly once, they need to have their checkup related to cancer. At that stage, if by bad luck, if they are diagnosed with cancer, then they can be cured at low proximity. The damage will be more. So the ultimate motto is we need to get educated ourselves that we should not be scared. With all the immunotherapy and chemotherapy, we also need one more very good therapy, that is moral support. When our thinking is positive, when we want to live, cancer won't be a very big enemy for us and we can easily conquer it. So more of the education should be given to rural people by giving them advices that they need to go for regular health checkups. Also government schemes are available which they can avail so that they can fight against it. Also there are many researches being done on how to control the cancer levels, because last recorded fatality rate was 14.1 million, which is a very sad news for us. So to stop this, we hope that medical science, which is being upgraded, comes with the best solution for it. Thank you all for having me here. Thank you.